Salvation Army. Now, ladies and gentlemen, can I present to you the Mayor of Droitwich, Councillor George Duffy.
Thank you very much, Edgar. That was a bit close. It's incredible that so many of you have joined us here, and it's great to see so many faces after our glorious weather rather blinded me when we came together here in remembrance. I look forward to seeing you all even better when our guests light us up in festive cheer. So as well as a huge thank you to our volunteers at the Salt Museum and the Droitwich Lions, and for our wonderful entertainment from the Salvation Army Band and the I Sing Choir. And thank you to our amazing Town Council officers who made today possible and worked incredibly with County Councillor Bob Brooks to make sure our lighting improvements didn't interrupt our lights event. I'd like to welcome and say thank you to our guests, the sixth form senior student team, Harriet Rochelle, Amy Ford and George Knowles, and to help me turn on the lights, a town-wide personality who helped lead sports in Droitwich before turning his attention to raising massive funds and awareness for motor neuron disease, as well as raising people's spirits. John Adams. Also, of course, leaders in Christmas and seasonal cheer, our town crier Edgar Harwood and Santa. So please join us in a countdown to lights on in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.